Children, welcome to class 2 computers. Children, this is your computer book IT Planet My Bits and Bytes computer series 2. Children, in our previous video we had completed chapter 2, that is uses of computers. So children, in this chapter we studied about different uses of computer, and on the basis of different uses the computers are found at different places, and at different places it performs different tasks. So children, we studied about the different places where computers are found and the different tasks which we do at different places using the computer. So children, let us revise the chapter and proceed further in the chapter. So children, chapter 2, uses of computer. In this chapter we studied about different uses of computers. As we know children, computers can do different types of tasks. It is found at different places. As we studied, computers are found in schools. In schools it is used for teaching and learning purpose. It is used for keeping record of fees. It is used for preparing result. It is used for sending circulars. It is used for maintaining records of books in library, and it is also used for preparing question papers. So these are the different uses what we do in the school. Then children, second place is computers in offices. So children, in offices also computers are used for typing and printing documents, keeping a record of employees, and also children for receiving and sending the mails. Then children, computer in banks. Computers are also used in banks for withdrawing money from an ATM, keeping record of money, and maintaining accounts of customers. So it is used for withdrawing money, it is used for keeping record of money, maintaining account of account of the customers, and withdrawing money. So these are the work which we do in computer. Then at home children, we use computers for online classes, playing games, watching movies, maintaining monthly expenses, and children for listening to songs and doing homework. So these are the work which we do at home. Then children, we also use computers at railway station and airport. At railway station and airport children, we use computer for reservation and cancellation of the tickets. Then we also use computers to keep record of arrival and departure of trains and flights. Then children, next place where computers are used is computers in hospitals. So nowadays children, we are doing lot of things using the computers in hospitals, and these are keeping record of the patients of the hospital, diagnosing the disease, preparing medical report, and also children, nowadays doctors perform many complicated operation using the computers. So children, next uses entertainment. As you know children, using the computer we can entertain ourselves. For example, we can watch cartoons, we can watch movies, we can play games, or we can draw and color. Then children, for designing also we are using computer nowadays children, whether it is textile designing, whether it is designing buildings, or some other monuments, or some other buildings, or some complexes or malls. For all these purposes, whether it is car or aeroplane, anything is designed using the computer. So children, the book you are reading, that is also designed using the computer. Then children, computer is also used for defense and research purpose. As we know children, computer are used in field of defense and research for doing researches, the work researches done by the scientist, or for launching or controlling satellites also. So these are the different places where computers are used. So children, in this chapter we studied about different uses of computer, as well as per its use it is the places where it is used. तो बच्चों, इस पार्ट में हमने चैप्टर में हमने पढ़ा कि जो कंप्यूटर होता है वो बहुत सारे काम करता है, वो बहुत सारे टास्क करता है, और बहुत सारे काम करने की वजह से ये बहुत सारे जगहों पे पाया जाता है. यू कैन सी इट एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. तो चिल्ड्रन, दैट इज़ स्कूल, हॉस्पिटल, बैंक, ऑफिस, for scientists and research centers, in hospitals, railway station, airport, homes. So everywhere nowadays computers are found, and we can say that it has become part of our life. Same as children, small machines are used daily in our houses. These computers are also used in our houses. So children, nowadays at the time of pandemic, children, we are using it for classes also. Daily we are doing online classes using the computer. हम कंप्यूटर के वजह से ही ऑनलाइन क्लासेस कर पा रहे हैं, और इस पेंडेमिक के टाइम में इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ कंप्यूटर ओनली दैट वी आर एबल टू कंप्लीट आर सेशन. हमने पूरा पिछला सेशन कंप्यूटर के वजह से ही पूरा किया था. अदरवाइज़ अगर कंप्यूटर्स नहीं होते, चाहे वो चिल्ड्रन स्मार्टफोन हो, टैबलेट पीसी हो, लैपटॉप हो, डेस्कटॉप है, all the types of computers are used by us for doing online classes, depending upon the availability or depending upon the people, the income of the people. जो इस तरह का कंप्यूटर खरीद सकता है, उस तरह के कंप्यूटर से वो क्लासेस करते हैं. Then children, we have completed the chapter, and I hope you have understood all about the chapter. So let us do self evaluation. So children, as we know, we have studied and understood some of the points from the chapter. So let us check whether these we have how much we have understood from the chapter. So after reading the chapter, I know these points. I know that computers are used at different places for different purposes. So children, as I told you कि कंप्यूटर्स आर मल्टीटास्किंग. मल्टीटास्किंग का मतलब होता है कि कंप्यूटर बहुत सारे काम कर सकता है और एक साथ बहुत सारे काम कर सकता है, इसलिए हम इसको अलग अलग जगहों पर अलग अलग काम के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, वी कैन द सेम थिंग इज सेड इन दिस स्टेटमेंट दैट after reading the chapter, I know that computers are used at different places for different purposes. So computers are used at different places for different purpose. Purpose का मतलब होता है काम. तो हर जगह एक ही तरह का काम नहीं होता है. हॉस्पिटल में हम उससे दूसरे काम करते हैं, बैंक में दूसरे काम करते हैं, घर पे दूसरे काम करते हैं. तो हर जगह का काम अलग होता है, और क्योंकि ये सारे काम कर सकता है, इसलिए हम इसको यूज़ करते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज़ ट्रू, एंड दिस स्टेटमेंट वी हैव लर्न फ्रॉम द chapter. Then children, secondly, I know that computers are used in schools for teaching. So this also we have studied from the chapter. In schools we use computer for teaching. So children, as we know, computers are used for many purposes and many uses in school. Computers have many uses in schools. Many tasks or work is done using the computer, but children, teaching is one of them. So you agree with this point also? Then I know that computers are used for typing and printing documents and to send and receive email messages. So children, as you know, in offices computers are used for typing and printing documents. computers को use करके हम documents को type करते हैं और उसके बाद print करते हैं. And then in offices we also use the computer to send or receive email messages. तो वहाँ पे offices में बहुत सारे जगहों से हम लिंक्ड होते हैं, बहुत सारी जगहों से हम काम करते हैं. तो हर जगह से हमें अगर कम्युनिकेट करना है तो हम ईमेल के थ्रू ही कम्युनिकेट करते हैं. सो फॉर दैट चिल्ड्रन वी सेंड मैसेजेस एंड ऑल्सो वी रिसीव मैसेजेस. सो इन ऑफिसेस द कंप्यूटर्स आर यूज्ड फॉर टाइपिंग, प्रिंटिंग डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड टू send or receive messages. So we agree with this point also. Now children, next one is, I know that bank account records are maintained with the help of computer. So children, as we know कि lot of people come to the bank to deposit their money or to open account in the bank. अब इन सब का डिटेल हम पहले जब हमारे पास कंप्यूटर्स नहीं हुआ करते थे तो हम रजिस्टर्स में करते थे, लेकिन अब हम कंप्यूटर्स में करते हैं और इट इज़ ईजी टू सेव ऑल्सो एंड इट इज़ ईजी टू मेंटेन ऑल्सो. अब हमें जब हम कंप्यूटर में चीज़ों को स्टोर करके रखते हैं तो हमें मेंटेनेंस की भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, क्योंकि हमें ना तो वहाँ पे टर्माइट्स वगैरह लगने के डर होते हैं, ना ही बारिश से भीगने का डर होता है, ना ही चूहे के काटने का डर होता है। तो हम आराम से जो भी काम कंप्यूटर में करते हैं उसको उसमें सेव कर सकते हैं। तो यहाँ पे जो भी अकाउंट्स हम खोलते हैं कंप्यूटर के थ्रू, वी कैन प्रोटेक्ट इट फॉर लॉन्गर ड्यूरेशन। देन चिल्ड्रन, I have learnt that computers help in designing books also. So children, the books through which we study, these books are designed using the computer. So these these computers are used for designing books also. So children, these were the points which we have studied and understood from the chapter. After reading the chapter, we know all these points. Okay. Exercises. So children, let us do the book exercises. First exercise is question number A, tick the correct answer. So children, you have studied the chapter and I hope you all must be able to answer the following questions. So children, tick the correct answer. Here we have 5 questions. In tick the correct option children, we have 5 questions, and in each question children we have 3 options. Among these 3 options, any one is true. You are going to put a tick in front of true option. So children, you will put a tick in front of the option which is right. So children, first one is computers are used in dash for preparing result. Computers are used in dash for preparing results. As we know children, here 3 options are given. First is hospital, second is banks, third is schools. So children, as we know, in the computers are used in for preparing result. Children, in hospitals, first option is hospital. In hospitals we do not prepare result. In banks also we do not prepare result. So the answer is school. As we know, children study in school and they give exams. After the exam, the results are prepared. So the correct option is school, and you will put a tick in front of school. So here correct answer is school. So here you will write SCHOOLS, schools. Computers are used in schools for preparing result. First answer is computers are used in schools for preparing results. Now second one children, second is second question is, and dash is used to withdraw money. So children, here 3 options are there: ATM, mobile, none of these. Children, ATM, mobile, none of these. So children, mobile is not at all used for withdrawing money, और none of these का मतलब A या B दोनों में से कोई भी आंसर नहीं होता है, तो हम none of these पे टिक करते हैं. First option is ATM. As we know, we use ATM machine to withdraw money. So the correct answer is ATM machine. So here you will write ATM. आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे ATM, ATM, and ATM is used to withdraw money. So children, answer is ATM. You will write ATM and put a tick in front of ATM. Now children, question number 3. In 3 we have dash use computers in preparing medical reports. So children, where do we prepare medical reports? We prepare medical reports in hospitals, and these are prepared by the doctors. So children, dash use computers in preparing medical reports. So first option is teachers, second option is doctors, third option is engineers. So as we know, medical reports are prepared by doctors. So the correct answer is doctors. So you will write here doctor and put a tick in front of doctor. So children, here you will put a tick in front of doctor, and here you will write DOCTORS, doctors. So the answer is doctors, DOCTORS, doctors. Then children, fourth one, a dash use computers for making design of building. So a dash use computers for making design of building. As we know children, doctors diagnose diseases, architects design buildings and scientists do researches. So children, the correct answer is architect. So you will put a tick in front of architect. So second वाला जो option है architect है वो right है. So you will put a tick in front of architect क्योंकि architect ही buildings को design करता है. So here you will write A R C H I archi TECTS architects. So the correct answer is architects. Now children, last one, that is fifth one. Computers are used by dash for research work. Computers are used by dash for research work. So children, scientists, shopkeepers, pilots. Scientists, shopkeepers, pilots. Computers are used by dash for research work. As we know children, shopkeepers own the shop, pilots जो हैं वो planes चलाते हैं, and scientists जो होते हैं these do researches or they do research work. So that is why the correct answer is scientist. You will put a tick in front of scientist and here you will write SCIENTISTS scientist. ये आंसर है SCIENTISTS scientist. So children, we have completed this. Let us revise once again. So here we have 5 questions children. First one is computers are used in dash for preparing results. Computers are used in hospitals for preparing results. So here you will put a tick in front of hospital. And dash is used to withdraw money. As we know children, ATM is used for withdrawing money. So you will put a tick in front of ATM. Dash use computers in preparing medical reports. As we know children, doctors use computers in preparing medical reports. So you will put a tick in front of doctors. Then fourth one children, dash use computers for making design of buildings. As we know, architects make the design of buildings. So you will put a tick in front of architects. Computers are used by dash for research work. Computers are used by dash for research work. As we know children, computers are used by scientists for research work. So you will put a tick in front of scientists. So children, with this we have completed question number 1. Now we will do question number B. Question number A हमने complete कर लिया है. Now we'll do question number B. Now in question number B children, here some letters are given but they are jumbled or scrambled. Scramble किया हुआ है. We are going to arrange these letters in a meaningful word and get the answer. So children, first we will read the clue given. After the clue children, it will be easier for us to arrange the letters in a meaningful word. So fill in the blanks by unscrambling the words. We are going to unscramble these words to get the answer. Children, question is, in school computer is used for preparing dash. In school computer is used for preparing dash. As we know children, in school we prepare result. So the answer should be result. So let us arrange these words. So firstly, in result we have R. So you will put a tick above R. You will take R from here and write here R. Then we have E. So you will take E from here and write here E. Then we have RE. S. You will write here S. U. You will write here U. Then you will choose L. So you will write here L. And then you will write T. T. So the answer is RESULT, result. So the answer is RESULT, result. Now next one children. Now second one children, computer is used for booking ticket at. So children, where do we book tickets? We book tickets at railway station as well as at airport. But let us see the the letters, according to that we'll write airport or the railway station. So children, computer is used for booking tickets at. So the answer, if you see the letters children, it is airport. So you will write here A. Firstly you will pick A from here. आप सबसे पहले A लेंगे यहाँ से, A, and write here A. A, I, so you will write here I, R, R, P, P, O, O, then R, R, and last letter is T. So this is airport. Computer is used for booking ticket at airport. Now children, this is second one. Now we'll do third one. You can withdraw money from. So children, withdraw money means take out money. निकालना, हिंदी में जैसे हम निकालना बोलते हैं, तो आप मनी कहाँ से निकालते हैं? We take out money from, yes, we take out money from bank. So let us find out whether it is bank or something else. So first letter is B. So you will write, take B from here and write here B. Then you will take A and write here A. Then you will pick N, and then you will pick K. So it becomes B-A-N-K. So the answer is B-A-N-K, bank. So first one is children, चलिए पहले हम लास्ट भी कर लें, then we'll revise. And last one is children, computer helps a doctor to diagnose disease. Computer helps a doctor to diagnose disease. Disease में सबसे पहले we will write D. हम यहाँ पे सबसे पहले D लिखेंगे, फिर लिखेंगे I. हमने यहाँ से D लिया, I लिया, S लिया, E लिया, A लिया, फिर S लिया, यहाँ से S भी ले लिया, देन हमने E लिया. तो दिस इज डिजीज़, ये हो गया डिजीज़. सो चिल्ड्रन, कंप्यूटर helps a doctor to diagnose disease. So children, with this we have completed question number B also. Let us revise. In question number B we have 4 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4. First one is children, in school computer is used for preparing result. So आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे result. Here you will write R E S U L T, result. First answer is result. Computer is used for booking tickets at A, I, R, P, O, R, T, airport. You can withdraw money from B, A, N, K, bank. Computer helps a doctor to diagnose disease. So here you will write D-I-S-E-A-S-E, disease. So children, with this we have completed question number B also. In schools, computer is used for preparing result. Computer is used for booking tickets at airport. You can withdraw money from bank. Computer helps a doctor to diagnose diseases. So children, with this we have completed question number B also. Let us do question number C. Question number C is answer the following question. Question number C hai children, answer the following question. What is the use of computer in school? Children, what is the use of computer in school? So children, as we know, in schools, computers are used for preparing result, for keeping the record of fees, then for preparing question papers, for teaching and learning. So there are many work which we do using the computer. You can write some of these. So children, in schools we have lot of work to do using the computer, and you can write any 2 or 3 among these. Or children, you can write, in schools computers are used for teaching or learning. So let us write the answer children. यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे IN, in schools computers are used for टीचिंग एंड लर्निंग. हम सीधा आंसर लिखते हैं, टीचिंग, TEACHING, टीचिंग, एंड learning, LEARNING, learning. In schools computers are used for teaching and learning. So children, today we are going to discuss these question answers. In next video we will write using the board. Now write the 2 uses of computer at home. Write the 2 uses of computer at home. At home we play games, so we can write play, 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 games, 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 and we can do homework. हम homework कर सकते हैं और हम game खेल सकते हैं. तो children, we will be writing these question answers using the board in next video. Today we are only discussing. Then children, third one, what is the use of computer in bank? As we know children, in banks we can withdraw money using the computer, or ATM जिसे हम कहते हैं, we can withdraw money, and as well as we use the computers to keep the record of account of the customers. So we use the computers for withdrawing money as well as for keeping the record of customers. So children, these 2 are the purpose of computers in banks. So children, how can computers be used in entertainment? As we know children, computers are also used for our entertainment. Children, we can play games, we can draw and color, we can watch cartoons, we can watch movies, we can listen to the music. So children, these are the ways how we can entertain ourselves using the computer. So children, this is question number 4. We have completed question number 4 also, and these question answers will be doing in our next video children using the board. हम next video में written work करेंगे. आज सिर्फ हम question answers को discuss कर रहे हैं, तो next video में हम लिख करके board पर लिख करके इसका practice करेंगे. Then children, we have true and false. तो first one is write T for true and F for false statement. So children, as we know, computers can do only one type of work. Computers can do only one type of work. So children, is it true that computers can do only one type of work? No. Children, as we know, computer can do many types of work. That is why it is also known as multitasking. And इसीलिए हम first statement is false, and you will write F for false here. आप यहाँ पे F for false लिखेंगे. Computers cannot be used in schools. Computers cannot be used in schools. Children, as we know, computers have lot of use in school, means computers are used for many work in school. So this statement is also false, and you will write F for false here. In banks children, computers are used for playing games. In banks, computers are used for playing games is a false statement. As we know कि there is no connection with playing games in banks, so this statement is also false, and you will write F for false. Scientists use computers for their research work. As we know children, scientists use computers for their research work, so this is true, and you will write T for true here. So children, with this we have completed question number F also. So children, you will write all these questions, these exercises in your book itself, and question answers we will be writing using the board in our next video. So don't write question answers, we have discussed it, we will be writing it in our next video. So children, go through the exercises, learn exercises, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in online classes. So children, with this we come to the end of this video. We will meet once again in our next video. Till then, thank you.